Happy Friday! Boys and girls, I'm taking the day today to spend a little time with my family, but I want you to know how special and wonderful you are. You fill my days with sunshine and laughter, and I am thrilled to be your teacher. Please know I will miss you today, but I will smile and go on with my day, knowing that you are doing genius first grade work. You make me so proud. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I cannot wait to see your smiling face next week. I hope you have great adventures to share. Hugs and healthiness. Love, Mrs. Werling. Now, unfortunately, that is not the end. So, because you have work to do, Mrs. Werling was going to give you your dictated words and sentences. So make sure you have your word building notebook ready. Keep in mind this is a video or audio recording of me saying these words, so you can pause it anytime you need to. So we are doing list D1. D is in dog. First word on the list, mock. Mock. Keep in mind that the K sound that you're hearing at the end had the CK pattern. Mock. Number 2, sock. Number 3, rot. Number 4, dot. Number 5, mop. Number 6, rock. Remember, if you had any trouble getting those words, you can pause it and go back. I'm going to give you your 2 sentences. We're moving to 2 sentences. Can you believe it? Can a sock get lost is the first sentence. Can a sock get lost? When you hear me say sentence, you know what a sentence needs. It needs proper capitalization and punctuation. Make sure you have those things. Sentence number 2. Can you sit on a rock? Can you sit on a rock?